Okay, today is our second port day and we are in Dominica. When we were looking at excursions, this seems like a very lush, jungly type of island. So we are gonna go on a hike and go to some waterfalls. We're with a tour group. There's not much to do without a tour group, it didn't seem, but we're pretty excited for today. So we need to hurry up and go find our tour group. Okay, we stopped at this beautiful lookout and they had some small bottles of vanilla. So I had to try one. It was only $5 and it smells delicious. Hey, baby!
It's on the beach this man.
You're such a sweetie. You're so sweet. Tour complete. I found the dog. We're going off-roading here. CBD oil? Okay.
There we go. Hey, these called?
Grapefruits. What's so good about this grapefruit is it's not too bitter. Like it has a little bit of sweetness. It's just very nice, natural. So right now we are in the Middleham Estate, which is on the way to Middleham Falls. We just learned via the sign and via our guide that this was bought by a US millionaire back in the 40s and then was given to the government for a national park in 1975. So now all of the estate that he had given is part of the park and the beautiful jungle area that's actually getting us to the falls. So it's pretty cool. There's a nice little pavilion here, and this area is just beautiful and hot. I don't know in what world this is a step.
Despite this hike being about 45 minutes, it is not for the faint of heart. They've got some pretty treacherous ones closer to the falls as you go down. So FYI, if you plan on doing this hike, it can be fairly taxing and a little bit dangerous. You gotta take your time coming down. We made it to the falls. Let's jump in and cool down. So we just finished diving in the falls. It was amazing and really cool. Like cold, but after you got in, it was beautiful. Well worth the hike. Do it 100%. It's gonna feel like it's not worth it until you get in. Time for the T2 Gorge.
T2 Gorge is probably the place that we saw the most other tourists while we were in Dominica. However, the gorge itself was used in the filming of Pirates of the Caribbean, and you essentially swim up the gorge upstream and then it ends in a small waterfall. But looking up at the gorge while you're there, there's these limestone appearing walls and there's a whole jungle around you. The whole area is just really beautiful. It's really a probably once in a lifetime type of experience.
Crowd died down significantly.
Wrapping up our tour for the day, we had Gordon here with Waitakabuli tours. We did the falls, we did the gorge, we went to more falls. I think we had a really great day. I know us, I think the other people in our group as well. Highly recommended if you come to Dominica, you can ask for Gordon. He is 65 years old and hiked all of these things with us today as well.
That's it.
So, our day has pretty much come to an end. We're about to get on the ship, but I had an amazing time in Dominica. I hope Aaron agrees. This island is absolutely beautiful. Not huge on the beaches, but there is just hills, mountains, waterfalls, everything. I talked about Gordon a little bit and the Waitakabuli tours, but truly incredible. Gordon went above and beyond on the tour. He took us to extra places that were not even included. Totally worth the money. I actually do want to come back to Dominica, no joke. But for now, it is time to get back on the ship. We're so exhausted after the day, and we have another full day tomorrow in Grenada. Or Grenada? Grenada? Grenada, one of the two. Other side note, there is only one port here in Dominica, so if you are fortunate enough to have your ship stop in Dominica, you will be the only ship at port, which I think made it just a little bit better, especially after there were 4 ships yesterday. And as another side note, in case we want to use this, absolutely nothing today was sponsored. We just genuinely loved this company and would totally use them again. So, finally back to the ship. Get my hair out of my mouth.
Sometimes it comes in for 6 months, 2 months.
My mouth, out of my mouth.
Oh, I thought you said your nose. Like, so we're going to Trafalgar. Bad
to the bone. Da, 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 da.